No matter what you do, school, work, running a business, building a product, at some point you'll need to put your ideas into slides. Presentations are the universal language of clarity, what's being done, why it matters, and what should happen next. And sure, you can create a presentation from scratch in PowerPoint or Keynote, but that takes hours. And most importantly, you still might not be able to make it interactive enough to deliver that wow effect. Let me ask you this. If you're selling candy and you want to show what it looks like on the outside and the inside on a single slide, in a single illustration, how would you do it? With traditional tools, you can't. Or how would you make images feel dynamic, showing motion and action? Once again, traditional tools make that hard and often not feasible. However, there is one tool on the market right now, and this tool is claiming to be a game changer. Not only does it let you create presentations with a single prompt, no manually assembling slides, but it can also bring presentations to life by offering unique functionality like X-ray style visuals and dynamic images that make learning and comprehension feel fun and effortless. So I'm going to test this tool myself. Let's see what Dokie is capable of. Let's dive deep. I am now signed into Dokie and I am on the main page. First, I'll select a theme for the presentation slides. I'm going to click theme, select the Dokie vibe theme. You can also create a custom theme and click apply. I'm typing my prompt. This prompt tells Dokie who the deck is for, what the product does, and what the pitch needs to cover. So I can generate a realistic sales ready presentation. I'll click send. And before Dokie begins working on the task, it outlines the goal and audience of the sales deck and asks for approval before generating a full structured outline that covers the problem, solution, benefits, pricing, and call to action. I'll click confirm. Dokie is now working on the task. Dokie created a structure for the slides. I'm fine with the structure and don't want to adjust it further. So I'll click confirm and generate. Dokie begins generating each slide for the presentation. What's important here is that I'm not defining slides one by one. I'm just describing the audience, the goal of the deck, and what needs to be covered. And Dokie handles the structure and sequencing on its own. Dokie has now taken the original prompt and turned it into a complete structured sales presentation. It automatically decided the slide order, generated all the necessary sections, and built a full pitch flow without manual setup, resulting in 11 slides. The deck includes an opening cover, problem framing, gaps in existing solutions, the product solution, how it works, key benefits, pricing, and a clear call to action. At this point, the deck is already created, so you can focus on improving specific slides instead of building everything manually. Let's take a look at the slides. Dokie did a solid job generating the first draft, but now I want to push it further by adding more visual interactive elements and restructuring a few slides. I am typing my prompt, I will click send, and Dokie is updating the presentation. Dokie is done with the update. The deck has expanded from 11 to 15 slides, reflecting the new structure and additions. Let's take a look at the updated slides. Some of the slides are now interactive, so you can hover over visual elements to reveal hidden details and click through different parts of the system. This means you are no longer just viewing slides, you are exploring them. And the key thing is that all of this was done by giving Dokie a simple prompt and letting it handle the structure and interaction automatically. After you're done preparing your presentation deck, Dokie also allows you to download the slides in PDF, PNG, or PowerPoint format by clicking the download button. You can also share the deck link directly by clicking share, changing the link from private to public, and Dokie will generate a shareable link. At this point, the presentation is fully built. I didn't manually design slides or decide the structure up front. I described the audience and the goal, and Dokie handled the flow, the layout, and the updates. From here, I'm no longer building a presentation from scratch. Now, I'm looking at slide 9, and it's not a very useful use of this effect. I want to create something that's visually offers more value. I would say, let's create a made-up product, a candy or a chocolate bar, and show what the candy looks like on the inside and the outside. This is my prompt. Replace slide 9 with a picture of a big candy. When I hover over the candy, it shows an X-ray effect. Send. The agent is working and it's replacing slide 9 with an interactive candy X-ray visualization. What's cool about this AI tool is that you can use human language to give it directions. And this is what the candy looks like. Pretty cool. You can use this kind of functionality for anything you want. Let's improve this slide further. First, I'll ask Dokie to replace slide 9 with a chocolate bar that have shark numbers written on it. I'll click send. Here's what I have. Next, I'll ask Dokie to generate a 3D chocolate bar. Send. Now I have both the wrapper and the 3D chocolate bar. I'll ask Dokie to merge the wrapper and the chocolate bar, placing the chocolate bar properly inside the wrapper, and then add a hover X-ray effect. The idea is that when I hover over a specific area of that wrapper, only that specific hovered section becomes transparent, revealing the realistic chocolate underneath, not the entire wrapper, just the part under the cursor. Now we have a realistic looking chocolate bar with the wrapper, and when I hover over that chocolate bar, I can see what's under the wrapper. Perfect if you have a product and want to show what it looks like on the inside and outside, or maybe before and after, or highlight different states of the product. And this is what my entire presentation looks like. It's clean and minimalist, and exactly what I wanted. It has a bunch of dynamic images with useful effects. Here's the chocolate bar. Once again, I love how I can depict this chocolate candy and show what it looks like on the outside and under the wrapper. And that sums it all up. Dokie is a presentation maker on steroids. If PowerPoint and an AI agent had baby, that would be Dokie. You saw it with your own eyes. The quality of each slide was crisp. Everything from the layout, fonts, and colors to the dynamic visuals and the overall feel, the overall vibe. Presentation felt expansive. It felt premium. And I'm pretty sure getting your words, getting your thoughts across to the final listener is getting way easier with tools like Dokie. You grab the crowd's attention instantly and you get remembered as an interesting, well-prepared speaker. You can test Dokie for free. You get 500 credits on the free plan, and if you want to upgrade, you can always do it later. You can see the current plans on the screen. Go ahead, test Dokie. The link is in the description. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this product, this tool. I'm done for now, and I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.